The cat in the rainy jungle rain was falling heavily. In the middle of the jungle, a small cat was shivering under the wet leaves. Its fur was filled with mud. Fear and hunger both resided in its eyes. With every flash of lightning, it shrank further. Usse apni mayad ai jo kabi, is jangal mein uske, saath thi, lekin aaj sirf barish thi, or tanhai. She remembered her mother, who was once with her in this jungle, but today there was only rain and loneliness. Achanak ek purana daracht, tes hawa seira. Suddenly an old tree fell from the strong wind. Beline bak ka e kukliya mein panali. The cat ran and took refuge in a hollow root. Wahin usai garamsa, esas mila jaise jangal na usai apni bahon mein laliya ho. There she felt a warm sensation, as if the jungle had embraced her. When the rain stopped in the morning, the soft light of the sun filtered through the leaves. The cat came out. It was alive. It was strong. That day, the forest taught it, what survives in the rain shines in life too.